It's a circular shape here we have taken, change the color of it. Then I will take another custom shape there. So make different adjustments. Make an angle there. Add different paints here. Use the adjustments. I will take it. Then we are going to make that design. There is a bird shape we are going to make here. Still we have to choose that design, creating the angle.